Pump is pumping out water with velocity v and mass per unit length is m. What is the rate at which kinetic energy is imparted? Let's understand this part. What is the rate at which kinetic energy is imparted? Rate means time rate. Time rate means for every 1 second. That's what the meaning of rate at which. So rate at which kinetic energy is imparted means kinetic energy given for every 1 second. Let us say this is the pump, and in that engine is pumping out water, and let's assume that in t seconds it is emitting, or it is just pumping out this much of water column. Let's assume that the shape does not change. So in t seconds this much length of the water column is pumped out. This much length of the water column is pumped out. So the mass of this water column, so this water column has a mass m, and the velocity of the water that is coming out is v. So the total time to pump out this much length of water column is t. So in t seconds, m mass of water column has come out with velocity v. Then the energy contained in this water column is half mv square. In t seconds, energy given or energy imparted is equal to half mass of the water column is m into v square, half mv square. So for t seconds, half m v square energy is given. Then rate at which kinetic energy given means for 1 second. Then for 1 second it is half m v square by t. But you know the length of the water column is L in t seconds, the velocity of the water column is v, then velocity of the water column is length that has come out in t seconds. Then the time is equal to length of the water column come out by v is the velocity of the water column. Then for every 1 second, this much of kinetic energy is given. This is called a rate at which kinetic energy is imparted. Rate at which kinetic energy is imparted is equal to half mv square by t, but t is equal to L by v. Then half m v square by L by v. Then what are we getting here? Half m by L into v cube. What is m by L? L meter water column has a mass m. 1 meter water column will have a mass m by L. For example, 2 meter water column has 10 kilogram means 1 meter water column will have 10 by 2, which is 5 kilogram. This m by L is called mass per unit length. Mass per unit length. Here they said mass per unit length is small m. Hence, this m by L can be written as small m. Hence, this becomes rate at which kinetic energy is imparted. Rate at which kinetic energy is imparted is half into m by L, but m by L can be written as small m here. So half into m into v cube. So this is the rate at which kinetic energy is imparted if a pump is pumping out water with velocity of v, and small m stands for mass per unit length.